Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Milwaukee 16-gauge finish nailer is probably one of the most versatile tools in any carpenter's arsenal. It's designed to deliver both power and precision, making it ideal for a wide range of finishing tasks. Whether you're installing trim, building cabinets, or working on any project that demands a flawless finish, this nailer promises to be a game-changer, ensuring your work looks professional and polished. Number 5. CRAFTSMAN V 2016 G8 Cordless Finish Nailer Kit. Introducing the CRAFTSMAN V20 Cordless Finish Nailer Kit. This nailer eliminates the need for compressors, hoses, or gas cartridges. It's a fully cordless design for ultimate convenience. This nailer delivers consistent firing power in various climate conditions and materials. You can rely on it for your projects, no matter the environment. Enjoy tool-free depth settings for quick setup. It also features tool-free jam and stall settings, making it easy to use and maintain. Designed with a lightweight body and optimal center of gravity, this nailer provides excellent balance and comfort. You'll find it easy to handle during extended use. The contoured overmolded handle provides added comfort. Plus, the built-in belt hook offers convenient access and storage. It's designed to make your work easier. What we like. This cordless nailer eliminates the need for compressors and hoses, offering ultimate convenience. Its tool-free adjustments make setup a breeze. If you're looking for a hassle-free experience and value ease of use, this is the one for you. What people say. I use this tool to construct the end walls on my commercial greenhouse. Being in a remote location, the use of big heavy air tanks was not possible, or at least not convenient. I used this without the need for tanks or air hoses and it performed flawlessly. It has never jammed on me or let me down. Purchased this gun. Works great. It is heavy. I bought this nailer BC. I wanted the ability to shoot 2.5 nails into boards. That an easy task with the 16GA model. Yes, it's a bit pricier than the 18GA model, but you get what you pay for. Charging was fast, load nails from the bottom, slide lever to hold, easy, built-in safety lock, comes with 52 and 2.5 nails, a bit of a misnomer since you only use thin steel wire nails, cheaper than most comparable nailers, made in the USA. Smooth shooting, not noisy, not heavy. Number 4. Milwaukee M18 Fuel 18-gauge brad nailer. This is the M18 Fuel 18-gauge brad nailer from Milwaukee. It's a powerful tool designed for professional use. This nailer delivers consistent performance and is built to last. The M18 Fuel brad nailer operates on the M18 battery platform, offering cordless freedom. You can take it anywhere without the hassle of cords or compressors. This makes it ideal for various job sites. Featuring fuel technology, this nailer provides exceptional power and efficiency. It drives nails consistently, even into hard woods. This ensures a professional finish every time. Please note that this is a bare tool only, meaning it does not include a charger or battery. It's perfect for those who already own M18 batteries and chargers. This allows you to expand your Milwaukee collection without extra costs. The model number is M18FN18GS0X. Be sure to check this when purchasing. This model is a reliable and efficient addition to any tool collection. What we like. This nailer utilizes M18 fuel technology for peak performance. It's a bare tool, so you can add it to your existing M18 collection. If you're already invested in the M18 system and need a reliable nailer, it's a great addition to your arsenal. What people say. It seems very reliable against jams and consistent at hitting the same depth each time. It is a little heavy, but much easier to maneuver in tight spaces and eliminates the need to move a compressor and hose from room to room. Good power of nailing to adjustable depth. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 16-gauge angled finish nailer 2841-20. This is the Milwaukee M18 16-gauge angled finish nailer. It's a powerful tool designed for professional use. It delivers excellent performance without the need for a compressor. This nailer utilizes M18 fuel technology. This means it offers peak productivity on the job site. You can expect unmatched nailing performance. Forget the hassle of cords and hoses. This tool is cordless, offering maximum portability and ease of use. It allows you to move freely around the workspace. The model number is 2841-20. This tool is designed for efficiency and ease of use. It's a must-have for any serious carpenter or contractor. This is the tool-only version. It is ready to go when you have the battery. Get yours today and experience the difference. What we like. This angled finish nailer offers peak productivity on the job site. It delivers unmatched nailing performance without the need for a compressor and hose. If you value efficiency and are tired of dealing with compressors, this is a great choice. What people say. This Milwaukee has always driven nails perfectly no matter the type of wood. It works perfectly, and as of now, 2 to 3 projects, I have had no jamming or misfires even with off-brand nails. This Milwaukee product has been fabulous, allows for easy flow of small projects. Number 2. Milwaukee 2742-20 Fuel 16 gauge finish nailer. This is a powerful tool from Milwaukee. It's designed for finish work and offers excellent performance. You'll find it's a reliable addition to your toolbox. This nailer is categorized as a tool. It's built for professional use and delivers consistent results. It's a must-have for any serious carpenter or woodworker. The package dimensions are provided for your reference. This information helps you understand the size of the product. It's important for storage and transportation. This product is made in China. It's manufactured to meet high-quality standards. The origin reflects the global nature of modern manufacturing. The package weighs 8.68 pounds. This includes the tool and any included accessories. It's a manageable weight for easy handling. What we like. This nailer features an LED light for enhanced visibility. It's part of the M18 fuel line, known for its power and performance. If you work in low-light conditions and need a reliable nailer, consider this one. What people say. Works great, love not having a compressor running in the house. What a time saver, works great. Number 1. Milwaukee 2743-21 CT 15 gauge angled finish nailer. This is the Milwaukee 2743-21 CT, a powerful angled finish nailer. It's designed to make your finishing work easier and more efficient. The nailer features a power state brushless motor. This motor provides more power, longer run time, and extends the tool's lifespan. This product is manufactured in China, adhering to quality standards. It is fully capable of sinking nails up to 2 to 1.2 inches. This feature makes it suitable for various finishing tasks. With its advanced features, this nailer is a reliable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It combines efficiency and power for optimal performance. What we like. This nailer features a power state brushless motor, providing more power and longer life. It is fully capable of sinking 2 to 1.2 inch nails. If you need a nailer that can handle tough jobs and last a long time, this is a great option. What people say. The nailer is well balanced and easy to handle. The tool is very powerful and has plenty of driving force. The depth adjustment is easy to use and accurate. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.